Kia ora and welcome back everyone. Yes, it's been a wee while. COVID and various other things have got in the way and the Chevette's been a bit on the back burner, but we're back into it. Here's some striping action, measuring these up to make sure we get the paint right. And yeah, here's the list. Not too long, actually. So we're going to get back into it. And I've changed the date for completion till my birthday, 10 weeks away. 9 actually. And interior. Let's get into it. So, job today is to tidy up all this wiring, get the console in, the gauges in, and this spaghetti sort of tidy. Wish me luck. So, looking for the helpers. These two look a bit suspicious. I'm not quite sure about buying them in. These two as well. I'm sure they could hold a spanner in that state. Oh, good for a laugh though. Yep, maybe we could have them back. These two look a bit serious. Yep, this guy, he looks pretty handy. I wonder what he's doing right now. Oh yes, found a new job. Ruler of the known universe. Can't get him. Look at this guy, he looks handy. With a ball. Not sure about his shoes though. Yeah, I think there's a lot of occupation of these Clark Street custom guys. There's a lot of motorbike action. Wider and further. Those blokes. Bit of wine. Not sure about that. Oh, this one, she could be interesting. I think he's got the bikes though. So, Jimmy, it's gonna have to be you. Let's see what you can do with the wiring with your paws. Or perhaps the safest option, always find a guy with a moustache. A lot of motorcycles. That'll be you, Joel. Let's go, bro. Joel back on the scene.
G'day.
G'day. And console modifications, John.
Console modifications, yep. It's going to be a little foldy wallet tray thing. Yep. In fact, we should just glue that in. Done.
And the reason we're doing that is because this is back, what, about 100 mil from where it was.
Looks about that,
Yeah, that used to be tucked up right up there. Of course, so we've got a bit of a space. Yeah.
Now we're just going to make a little thingy.
Everything you need, look at that. This is called computer aided design. Because that's got to go into there, that little slot.
Need that distance. There.
Which is called CAD cam.
CAD cam. And then I guess we need to put the depth.
But today we've ordered the Super Duper Vata battery to go into this box AGM cell, so there's no gaseous exchanges with the rear seat passengers. That's important. Enjoy fixing up ashtray light. So Muppets pushed it down, can't get the thing on. Light in the ashtray, beautiful. So fellas, I need another one of these because I thought that was broken. Well, the bulb's gone. So I whipped into my spare box. Right here. But look, it's exactly the same. But the bulb's good. Sweet. Ooh. It's alive. Set up, yes. It's in. Waddle cable going in. Boards are into it now.
Let's go up under there, eh?
Sorry, mate.
Oh, yeah.
throttle cable.
Throttle cable, lubed, and we're just trying to figure out where it goes. Quiz, spot the difference. 3, 4. Ain't gonna work. So we're gonna have to turn this one down to get the front off. We don't need that. And that one's from 4A, but not a 4A 20 valve, obviously. Yeah. Here's the rear spoiler in place.
At what speed did you say, Michael?
I always speak to the speed limit, Steve. Always stick to the speed limit.
Yeah, the Northern Territory speed limit.
Yeah. And so we welded up those holes where the Vauxhall sign was, and look at the neat work. So tell me again what's going to go on the edges here, Steve? It's going to be
Just bead of urethane.
Yep.
Wipe in, wipe out, so you won't even see that.
Yep.
Hide in gaps.
Yeah, that looks proper.
A lot smoother.
Looks smoother, right? And even these little gaps here filled up. That looks great, Steve. Nice work, mate. Are you happy with that?
Always happy, mate. I'm
Always
always
happy.
happy. Always happy in my work.
So that's about it for now. We'll sign off now. That's 9 minutes. Life that you'll never get back. But folks, thanks for watching. Next time we've got some pretty exciting stuff going on, I'm sure. Maybe even an engine start. We've got, that list to complete. It's going to be pretty exciting. I think we're getting close. And to the Clark Street Custom boys, I gave you a bit of heaps at the start of today's video, but thanks so much, guys. You've been awesome on the project. And to my mates who are looking forward to the inaugural trip, just a quick snapshot of the rescue vehicle. That's the one that we'll be following, making sure that everyone keeps calm. Take care, everyone. We'll see you next time.